Hey guys, so we've just taken on management of a new HMO, 6-bed HMO in King's Heath, Birmingham. Now this is a asset management play. Our landlord client has asked us to essentially take this on and turn it around. And I'll quickly go through some information with you on basically what we do, what we specialize in. So with something like this, we simply don't just manage a property. We asset manage it. And by that, what I mean is, with something like this, for example, we will take it on, see what needs doing, coordinate all the works. As an example here, we will completely clear all this out, see what the furniture situation is like, see what the compliance situation is like, look at the layout and see how we can best optimize the layout to attract the best tenants who will pay the best rent, and so that our landlord client will make the most money overall, and we'll plan ahead as well. So we'll strategize, see what the best approach to doing all this is and how to best approach it. For example, the first thing I'll do here is actually we will call out and get a fire risk assessment done. And the reason for that is because we want to make sure it's fully compliant, and if there are works to be done, it can create a lot of mess. So we'll want to know what works needs to be done first. Once we have the list, we can then coordinate the works in addition to all the other works that needs doing. And that way we're not duplicating works. We're not, for example, redecorating only to find out, get quotes for redecorating only to find out we have to change some door frames, and then get the door frames changed, and then that will damage the walls, and then get them redecorated again, all that sort of stuff. And the other thing is, this property has three bathrooms, 1, 2, 3, 4 bathrooms actually. But they're not all en suites. Now with HMOs, generally speaking, you will prospective tenants will want ensuite rooms. So in terms of asset management, what we'll do is we'll work out how to best reconfigure this property so that it works best for prospective tenant clients. Here, for example, as an example, this might not be what we actually do, but this bathroom is really big. In fact, it's too big for a bathroom. An option could be to partition it, turn it into 2 bathrooms, knock this through, turn this into an ensuite, and then turn the room next to it into an ensuite, either through an access there or to turn it into an off suite. That would be far more appealing to prospective tenants than to have a room that you have to share a bathroom with 2 other people. This room, for example, it's got a shower and a bath, and it's really big. So what I'll do is I will consider turning this into a self-contained studio. And again, we'll need to talk to the fire risk assessment for that and see what needs doing. And once they let us know what needs doing, then we can factor that into the plans and then make our recommendations to the landlord client. What else we need to do here? So it's the layout, fire risk assessment, and then it's just discussing really, what work should be done. For example, these carpet needs replacing, this furniture needs replacing, but actually the wardrobe is fine, that just needs repairing. It's strategic decisions like that we would advise our landlord. Anyway, hopefully that's been helpful. My name's Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. And we also manage landlords' portfolios as if it's our own. And we plan ahead and we strategize to work out what would be best for our landlord. And often case, that means what is going to be best for our tenant clients. And then that would determine what would be best for our landlord clients. And I hope that's been helpful. See you.